Is your Android device low on storage and you have tried every possible way to check what is eating up your valuable storage, but you just failed and you have no idea what is eating up your storage? Then you are exactly in the right place. Hey there guys, this is Bro here from TechTweak team, and so today I'll be telling you about a tiny but really effective application that will show you what is eating up your storage. Don't worry, this app does not need any root access, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the name of the application is Disk Usage, and yeah, I know the name is really straightforward, but keeping the name aside, the app is just awesome. Don't worry, the link of the application will be in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. So opening up the app for the first time, you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Just follow my steps and you'll be good to go. First, select the storage card and then it'll scan for storage and give you a detailed description about the files that are stored inside your phone. Don't worry, it will show everything that is inside your phone. So make sure you just have a clear-cut knowledge about what are the things that you have over in your phone. Now you'll have to take a look at what are the files that you don't know and is eating up huge chunk of storage. As shown in this video, these are the files that do not have any extensions and are totally useless. So we just need to delete them up and our device will have some amount of free storage. Remember, delete the files which you know that are useless, which means you have never seen them before or you never remember saving those files inside your device. After deleting those files, if you go and check in your storage, boom, you will have enough storage left to install more application and store more of your important data. As note, this video is not sponsored by this app. This app is really a great app and has fixed a lot of my storage related problems. That's why I thought of sharing this app with you all guys. If you got any queries and have some doubts in your minds, feel free to comment down in the comment box below. You can also contact me directly on Instagram. The Instagram link will also be in the description, so you can go ahead and follow me out there as well. That was it guys. This was a quick and easy way of scanning your device for any useless files. If it really worked for you, do hit the like button and let me know guys how much of the storage did you just cleared it off. That's it for this video guys. Have a great day and God bless you all. Thank you.